Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, the web3 space. Today we are going to learn how to import and install your Venom wallet address into the Mises browser. So what you do now is go to the Mises browser. If you don't have it, go ahead and download it from the Play Store or the Apple Store rather. If you have an iPhone, it's Mises browser. Then search for Venom wallet extension. This is it right here in the first paragraph. Click on it. Select or click on add to Chrome. Brings out the pop-up. Click on OK. There we have it installed. What is left to do now is to import the pre-existing wallet account you have in the Venom app. Just click on sign in with seed phrase. If you don't have one, you can go ahead and click on create a wallet, or just click on sign in with seed phrase if you have a pre-existing account before. So now what you have to do is import the seed phrase we have and paste it here. Go over to your Venom wallet app. Click on the profile, export seed phrase. I have to input my password. So copy it and paste it in the blank spaces, starting from the first blank space. It is not paste correctly. Yeah. Click on confirm. Then it's asking me to set up a password. Now we have it installed. We have the existing wallet account imported right into the extension in Mises browser. So how do we check it out? You can see a tab on the top of the browser. Click on it. You can see your Venom wallet down the extensions list. Click on the Venom wallet, and there we have it. We have our pre-existing wallet account imported into it. And that is it all for today. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.